Best detox juices, top 5 unconventional detox juices. Detoxification is vital to stay healthy. Toxins clog our system and interfere with the proper functioning of the organs. Getting rid of the toxins is necessary to prevent lethargy, insomnia, obesity, diabetes, back pain, and digestive disorders. Detoxification not only ensures the proper flow of energy but also boosts our immune system and prevents chronic diseases. Experiment with these unconventional detox juices and notice how great you feel afterward. 1. Ginger and beetroot juice. This one is not only healthy but also yummy. All you need to do extract the juice of one whole beet with the help of cold-pressed juicer. This will inject pink color into your drink. Add 1.5 cups of pineapple and a pear juice, both aid digestion and immunity-boosting ginger 2 inches to the concoction. Ginger also helps in reducing inflammation and adds a spicy flavor to the juice. 2. Carrot and ginger juice. You can't go wrong with the sweet and slightly sour taste of oranges mixed with the sweetness of carrots and zing of ginger. Carrots are loaded with beta-carotene and vitamins, whereas oranges are a storehouse of vitamin A and C. This detox juice also reduces bad cholesterol and aid digestion. The juice is also great for your hair and nails. 3. Dill juice. Sip and enjoy this perfect detox juice, which includes dill, 1 bunch, as the main ingredient. Dill is rich in vitamin A and C and contains essential minerals like iron, magnesium, and manganese. Dill is also an excellent source of calcium and helps boost immunity. Add carrots, 4 whole, 1 whole lemon and a large apple to dill. While carrots are rich in vitamin A, both lemon and apples are loaded with vitamin C. Lemons also cleanse the system gently, balancing it from inside. Juice all the ingredients to get a drink full of health. 4. Apple, beetroot and carrot juice. A concoction of apple, beetroot, and carrot is the perfect vitamin and mineral supplement for your system. In fact, it can also be counted as your fruit and vegetable portions for the day. The vitamins help in detoxifying your system and improving metabolism. 5. Ginger, cucumber and apple. The combination of ginger, cucumber, and apple offer a sweet as well as refreshing juice, which is great for detox especially during the warmer months of the year. The ginger provides a strong kick while the cucumber balances well with the apple flavor. This drink helps to release toxins from the body while aiding the digestive system. As a beginner, you may start off with a few of these juices and later add on many other types depending on your taste buds. Do you like this video? Please subscribe and press the bell icon button for more such videos.